So a lot of people now are talking about getting their DNA sequenced. If you've heard of Ancestry.com, 23andMe are all like really good companies to go ahead and do things like that. Now we're developing technologies to try and manipulate that genetic information. And now with Crispr, we'll be able to do that technology a lot quicker. What if we were able to take that technology, take out whatever genes are undesirable or may cause a genetic mutation or disease such as Huntington's disease or breast cancer? Would you want to do that for your future kids? And should you do that for your future kids? Once we cross that line, is it okay to make designer babies? Who should say it's only to be used for lethal genetic diseases? You know, do we change something like Down syndrome? You know, if they find a few genes or multiple genes that are responsible for autism, you know, who to say that we can or can't use that for something like autism? You know, would we want to say our daughter to have blonde hair or brown eyes? You know, would we want our son to have the fast twitch muscles so he could be a better athlete? Where do we draw the line? And also, who's able to get these technologies? Or, you know, who gives consent for that child? Remember, you're not just changing their genes, you're changing generations of genes. And so, do we have the responsibility to go about and change generations? So there actually is a committee of scientists, government employees, religious leaders that are all sitting around the table trying to decide whether or not CRISPR should be a thing to be done in humans. Right now, it's a no, but who's to say our morals may change, you know, ethic, you know, types of things may change in the next 15, 20 years. So that's a scary but exciting thing, because if I, you know, have kids, I would definitely probably want to use CRISPR to remove, you know, some type of lethal genetic disease. But who's to say once I'm there, I won't say, hey, can I also change this? You know, can I also replace this type of gene? So I think those are, you know, where scientists are at the round table wondering, should we even open the door?